Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will explain the types of phrases. If you don't know the meaning of phrases, then check out the previous video. Link is in the description box. Now look at the types of phrases one by one in detail. First is noun phrase. So, what is the meaning of noun phrase? A noun phrase can be a single noun or a group of words built around a single noun. मतलब noun phrase single noun भी हो सकता है और group of words भी हो सकते हैं जो single noun के around बनते हैं. A phrase that acts like a noun in the sentence is called a noun phrase. मतलब phrase noun की तरह act करता है sentence में, उसको noun phrase बोलते हैं. It contains a noun and other associated words, usually determiners and modifiers, which modify the noun. मतलब noun phrase noun and उससे associated words ज़्यादातर determiners and modifiers contain करते हैं जो noun को modify करते हैं. A noun phrase consists of a noun as a head word and other related words, determiners and modifiers may come before or after the noun. The entire phrase serves as a noun in a sentence. मतलब noun phrase consist करता है noun जो कि head word होता है and also बाकी उससे related words भी जैसे determiners and modifiers जो noun से पहले या noun के बाद आते हैं. पूरा फ्रेज सर्व करता है नाउन की तरह सेंटेंस में. नाउन फ्रेज इज इक्वल टू नाउन प्लस मॉडिफायर और डिटर्मिनर्स. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ नाउन फ्रेज. फर्स्ट इज दे हायर्ड अ ह्यूज ब्यूटिफुल होम. So in this sentence, a huge beautiful home is a noun phrase. इस sentence में ये noun phrase as a noun object है. Next, she bought a decent black shirt. So in this sentence, a decent black shirt is a noun phrase. इस sentence में ये noun phrase as a noun object है. Next, one of our close relatives never drinks coffee. So in this sentence, one of our close relatives is a noun phrase. इस sentence में ये noun phrase as a noun subject है. Next, a woman in the window shouted for help. So in this sentence, a woman in the window is a noun phrase. इस sentence में ये noun phrase as a noun subject है. A sentence can also consist of more than one noun phrase. मतलब एक sentence में एक से ज़्यादा noun phrase भी हो सकते हैं. For example, one of our close relatives bought a beautiful red car. So in this sentence, one of our close relatives is a noun phrase और ये as a noun subject की तरह आया and a beautiful red car is also a noun phrase और ये as a noun object की तरह आया sentence में. Now second type of phrase is prepositional phrase. So what is the meaning of prepositional phrase? A phrase comprising a preposition and object of preposition, noun or pronoun is called a prepositional phrase. मतलब phrase जो preposition and object of preposition से comprised होता है उसको prepositional phrase बोलते हैं. It may also contain other modifiers. Prepositional phrase modifiers भी contain करते हैं. For example, near a wall, on a table, in the room, under a tree, at the door, etc. Prepositional phrase has a noun or pronoun which is called the object of preposition. Prepositional phrase में noun या pronoun होता है जिसको object of preposition बोलते हैं. Now look at the examples of prepositional phrase. First is the kids were laughing at the joker. So in this sentence, at the joker is a prepositional phrase. Next, he is sleeping on the carpet. So in this sentence, on the carpet is a prepositional phrase. Next, the teacher looked at the blackboard. So in this sentence, at the blackboard is a prepositional phrase. Next, he drives the car in a high speed. So in this sentence, in a high speed is a prepositional phrase. Next, he always speaks in a loud voice. So in this sentence, in a loud voice is a prepositional phrase. Now next type of phrase is adjective phrase. So what is the meaning of adjective phrase? A phrase that acts like an adjective in a sentence is called adjective phrase. मतलब phrase जो sentence में adjective की तरह act करता है उसको adjective phrase कहते हैं. Like an adjective, it modifies a noun or a pronoun. मतलब adjective phrase adjective की तरह ही noun या pronoun को modify करता है. It consists of adjectives, modifiers and other words modifying the noun or pronoun. मतलब adjective phrase adjectives, modifiers एंड दूसरे और मॉडिफाइंग नाउन या प्रोनाउन से बने होते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. फर्स्ट इज अ किड ऑन द रूफ is looking at the sky. So in this sentence, on the roof is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun kid. Next, the boy in the shop is my friend. So in this sentence, in the shop is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun boy. Next, she bought a beautiful brown chair. So in this sentence, a beautiful brown chair is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun chair. Next, a lady with long hair is walking in the garden. So in this sentence, with long hair is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun lady. Next, she gave me a cup full of tea. So in this sentence, full of tea is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun cup. Next, a student from my college won the competition. So in this sentence, from my college is an adjective phrase and it is modifying a noun student. Now next type of phrase is adverb phrase. So what is the meaning of adverb phrase? A phrase that acts like an adverb in a sentence is called adverb phrase. मतलब phrase जो sentence में adverb की तरह act करता है उसको adverb phrase बोलते हैं. An adverb phrase can be a single adverb or a group of words built around a single adverb. मतलब एडवर्ब फ्रेज सिंगल एडवर्ब या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स भी हो सकते हैं जो सिंगल एडवर्ब के अराउंड बने होते हैं. लाइक एन एडवर्ब इट मॉडिफाइज अ वर्ब और अदर एडवर्ब इन द सेंटेंस. मतलब जैसे एडवर्ब मॉडिफाई करता है वैसे ही एडवर्ब फ्रेज मॉडिफाई करता है सेंटेंस में वर्ब को या दूसरे एडवर्ब को. इट कंटेन्स एन एडवर्ब एंड अदर वर्ड्स दैट इज नाउन preposition modifiers which as a while act as an adverb phrase. मतलब एडवर्ब फ्रेज कंटेन करता है एडवर्ब को एंड दूसरे वर्ड्स को जैसे कि नाउन preposition modifiers जो पूरी तरह एडवर्ब फ्रेज की तरह एक्ट करता है. Now look at the examples of adverb phrase. First is he drives a car in a very high speed. So in this sentence, in a very high speed is an adverb phrase and modifies verb drive. Next, the racer was going very fast. So in this sentence, very fast is an adverb phrase and modifies verb run. Next, she always speaks in a respectful way. So in this sentence, in a respectful way is an adverb phrase and modifies verb speak. Next, they walked along the wall. So in this sentence, along the wall is an adverb phrase and modifies verb walk. Next, she welcomed the guests in a nice way. So in this sentence, in a nice way is an adverb phrase and modifies verb welcome. Next, he stayed at college for a few hours. So in this sentence, for a few hours is an adverb phrase and modifies verb stay. So in this video I have explained few types of phrases. I hope it is clear. I will discuss the remaining types of phrases in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. If you want to suggest some topics then you can email me or DM me on Instagram. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.